Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be giving a demonstration of how the iHeart Radio app works on the TicWatch Pro 3 from the company Mobvoi. So first thing we got to do is we got to download the app from the Google Play Store, and then I'm going to press the top right button to get into the watch. You'll want to be connected to the internet because it's going to be using that connection to play the iHeart Radio app, and then you'll have to have an iHeart Radio account. Now when you first go in, it's going to ask you to log in or create an account depending on what your situation is, and you can see that in my case, I'm logged in and it's basically pulling the last channel that I listened to on the app. It'll take a second for it to connect. And you can see that it's connected. It's a little loud. I can touch the volume icon here and turn it down. Looks like the last channel I was listening to is Rice Radio. I can swipe down, look at my options, my favorites, my recently played, go to my library, or log out. But you can tell it actually has pretty good sound quality. It's coming basically from the built-in speaker that's on the watch. You don't have to stay on it, so I can navigate through and go to other apps. On the watch, it's playing in the background while I go do something else. Anyway, I hope that gives you an idea of how the iHeart Radio app works. If you wanted to change some channels, I guess I could show you that real quick. Let's go back to the app. I'm going to swipe down, and I'll choose a different channel. Let's try this one. Now you'll notice it's taking quite a bit of time to load. I think a lot of that probably has to do with your Wi-Fi more so than the watch itself. And there we go. Anyway, I hope it gives you an idea of how the iHeart Radio app works on your TicWatch Pro 3. Thanks for watching.